Hey Anthony, how are you doing?
Ah, fine.
Very good. Double that feeling.
Okay.
All right. So in a moment, I'm going to bring you into a trance. Would you like to go into a trance?
Yes, that's okay.
Very good. So are you sitting comfortably already?
I am.
Very good. So as you sit comfortable in your chair, take a deep breath in. Very good. And before you go even deeper, tell me just a little bit about which theme or goal is most important for you now that you work with before the break.
It's sensing others.
Sensing others, right?
Yes, it is.
That is such a great call. Sensing others.
Hmm.
And have you imagined already or have a sense how that would be for you, right?
I have a certain sense
Nice.
of it already, but
I can sense.
I
Yeah.
want it to be expanding.
Hmm. Expanding, right? Very
Yes.
good. All right. So which hand feels most light?
My left hand.
Your left hand feels most light, right?
Yeah.
And did you expect that it was your left hand that feels most light?
Actually, I did. Yeah.
You did, right? Because your left hand knows how to feel light. And you knew already that
Mm-hmm.
your left hand knows about that light feeling, right?
Hmm.
So are you in trance now?
No,
You're not in a trance now, right?
no.
And which body part feels most sleepy?
Um, it's the part above my eyes.
That's right. So I wonder how sleepy your eyes needs to feel so they will close all the way down. That's right.
I can do it for you. Yeah.
So let them feel sleepy and calm
Hmm.
and just go inside.
Hmm.
That's right. You just took a deep breath and feel good. That's it. And go to a place where you can imagine being already the Anthony that can sense other people.
Mm.
And there is no need to do anything else. Now you can just allow your unconscious mind to assist and help you imagine, to experience being like that
Hmm.
and see what you see, hear
Hmm.
the sounds you're hearing, and feel how it feels to sense other people.
Hmm.
And maybe your unconscious mind can even help you discover how it could taste in your mouth to sense other people or not.
Hmm.
Very good. And perhaps your unconscious mind can help you to go even deeper into this experience and see Anthony mastering this skill.
Hmm.
Very good. And as you are focused on my voice, make the picture even bigger and brighter.
Hmm.
That's it. And make the sounds a little louder and the thoughts or the quietness in your mind even deeper. That's right. And feel deeper into this feeling while you are having this experience. And in a moment, I'm going to count from 3 to 1. You're going to completely melt with that version of you, Anthony. In a moment, I'm going to count from 3 to 1. You're going to step inside Anthony and unite with him. So see that version of you. That's right. 3, 2, and 1. Step into him and look through his eyes. That's right. And take over the thoughts he's having and feel the feelings he is having now. And taste what you taste and smell what you smell. And discover, that's right, where in your body you have a sense that you are sensing people.
Mm-hmm.
And focus your mind right there. And notice how it feels. That feeling of sensing others. See what you see. Hear what you hear. And feel how good you feel being like this. Being like this. Your breathing has changed. Your facial muscles has changed. Which means your unconscious mind can enrich this experience even more. You can forget about time now and melt with him as if there is no difference anymore between you and him. Now you enjoy being in the moment. See what you see, hear the sounds, and feel how good it feels in your body, in your mind, to be like this. And every time you go into a trance, Anthony, you can be like him, step inside of him, just as easy as you can walk, as you can talk and breathe, which means you can look forward to a new future, sensing people like this. And before you begin to dream about your future like this, just notice the feelings in your body again. When you are this person that can sense other people, and make the picture really big and bright, really all the way to the left, all the way to the right. And step inside him, look through his eyes, melt with him, and feel what he feels. And when you are like this, Anthony, you are a bit like what?
My cat.
That's right. You are like your cat. And close your eyes, keep them closed, and connect with your cat. Being like your cat like this is enjoyable, is it not?
Oh, yeah.
Very good. Very good. And what kind of a cat is this cat?
He's naughty, playful, challenging.
He's challenging, naughty, and playful.
Mm.
Those are really great skills to have. Really great skills to have. So in a moment, I would like for you to visualize a purple circle around your heart. Just get a sense of a beautiful purple circle around your heart. And see your cat in front of you. with all of those skills and abilities. And in a moment, I'm going to count from 3 to 1. And your cat is going to come into you, so to speak, through the circle and fills you up completely from the inside. So focus on your cat in front of you. Notice the purple circle. 3, 2, 1. Whoosh inside you. Close the circle and let the cat fill you up from the inside, so to speak. Which means you get his hair or her hair. You get the eyes. You get the consciousness, the connection with a higher sense of something maybe. You get the skin. You get the feeling. Be the cat all the way. And look through the cat's eyes now. That's right. Imagine stepping into the cat and imagine what you would see, what you see, hear what you hear, and feel how good it feels to be this cat. And every time when you go into a trance, you go quicker and deeper each time. And you can be the cat whenever you wish. And as you hear my voice, I would love for you to notice where you feel best now. Where are the best feelings in your mind or body? And discover them. That's right. And focus all your attention, Anthony, on those good feelings. And imagine they have a color. And imagine that color spread through your shoulders, every thought you have, filling you up, your chest, your stomach, and feel good. And feel those feelings through your backbone, through your upper legs, filling you up, your knees all the way to your feet. Imagine that great feeling and color spreading through every cell of your body, being the cat now is pleasant. And just observe your body and send the good feelings in the color also to a place that really needs it, because every part needs to feel good, which means the good feeling is spreading again through every facial muscle, every hair, your eyes, and behind your eyes, inside your mind and consciousness. See that color spreading, expanding, and at the back of your shoulders, the good feelings are rolling, dancing, circulating, doing what your unconscious wants to make you feel better and better each time. And when you have a sense that your whole body is filled up with the cat feelings, the good feelings and the colors, you take a deep breath in. That's right. And just allow yourself to return while maintaining the state. Because you can be a cat, can you not? Everywhere. There you are. Ah. Did you have a good trip?
This is funny.
It's fun.
This is very funny. I don't have a tail, right? I didn't grow one either. So
Yeah.
this is very funny. He is He feels very good. He feels very good, and he's very alert. And then once he's off, he's gone, and then he's very alert. And what I notice most, he hears a lot better. I started hearing a lot better at a certain moment. Now
Very
this
good.
is very funny.
Yeah.
So, no, great experience. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Anthony.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you feel good?
I feel fantastic.
Well, double those feelings, okay?
Yeah, I will. Thank you.
Okay. Well, give Anthony a hand, show him some love, maybe some
I'll
arm.
wave my tail here.
Yeah. Oh, there they go. You see?
Yeah.
Very good, very good. Well, the tail is for the next exercise.
Yeah. Well, I'll see what I can do.
Yeah, thank you. It's a pleasure to work with you.
Okay, thank you.